You're hefty. You're hefty. Hey! Merry Christmas!
Hello, everybody.
Just feeding Mildred here. It's Becky again. How are you?
Nice little snack here.
How are you?
Thank you.
It's a good Christmas. Christmas is like 5 days away. No, wait, what is it? 7? 7 days away!
Christmas is coming.
Christmas is coming. We got Hefty too. Look, it says Merry Christmas from Jan.
Oh, thank you, Jan.
Thank you, Jan.
Always thinking of everybody.
Oh.
Got some nice donuts.
It's real good.
Do you want a donut?
Do you want a donut?
You do want a donut.
Oh, Mildred, you're so funny.
Delicious. So scrumptious. Just want to share this tasteful goodness with everybody. Enough donuts for now. Save it for later.
Yes, yes. Oh, what is this here we have? Is this a gingerbread house?
Oh, it's a little shrub house.
How did you make it?
I just snapped my fingers and it was there.
Oh, damn. It's real nifty.
Got some nice candy treats on here.
I don't know, I want that one. So, do tell about the steps of making a gingerbread house.
Well, you make the dough, bake it, and then you put it together, and you decorate it, and here's what you get. Here, you see? Yeah.
Did you make it in the oven?
I baked it in the sun.
You baked it in the sun, you say? That's beautiful.
I did.
Oh, wow.
Why don't you explain all the different kind of candies on there?
Oh, Clau, look at that. There's like lifesavers, savior, and Smarties, and
Some nice Smarties, got some little sugar candies and some pretzels.
I don't know about you, Mildred, but I am so excited for Christmas. Santa's gonna come through my chimney and get me all these candy things.
I'm excited for Christmas as well. I'm getting, as Santa, if I could get a pony, and you said you would, so I'm getting a pony.
You're getting a pony? Oh my gosh. You gotta bring it, and we have to show the world.
Oh, baby, I will.
It's gonna be a good Christmas this year. I am gonna go out to Port Ed, and I'm gonna go and hang out with my grandpa, and then we're gonna open Christmas presents, and we're gonna make a big turkey together. It's gonna be so nice. What are you gonna do?
I'm going to have a nice Christmas dinner with my family. Cause you know, that's what Christmas is all about.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Happiness and joy and shared
And love.
Peace and love with everybody.
Love.
Share it with your family.
Yes.
Give them your love.
It is a very joyous time of the year, and Christmas would be better with lots of love.
It's getting a bit toasty in here.
It is, it is.
Yeah, spending time with the old family.
The old family, back in the Western days.
Heck, back in my day, that's all you had was your family.
You ever heard of Dexys Tallis?
I've actually.
Really? That's great.
Heck, I was born there, man.
You were born there, you say.
In that town, good old. What did you call it?
Dexys Tallis.
Dexys Tallis. Good old D-Town, man.
Oh, D-Town. Get the shakes just from hearing the noise of that sound.
Tree of life, you bring me joy and
Lots of love.
love. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells.
And Happy New Year. Be safe.
Love you all.
Love you.